Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing September 2024 Patreon Part 3. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer, proxies, figures, and your 3D printing needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord down below, and let's get started. So we got Bite the Bullet. I think this one they're going to do more towards uh, Elden Ring, I believe, for it. More towards it, I believe. Yeah, Elden Ring and some of the Underdark stuff. Or is it the house? I don't know what they're trying to do. Well, yeah, we'll see. So we got Drizzt, their version of the Drow Ranger Black Panther. We got, oh, we're doing Underdark. Okay. It's Underdark Part 2. See a Drow Mercenary, Drow Matrion. Uh, I haven't seen any of the story changes on the Drows yet. But I'm gonna keep Drow as slavers. There are some very few good ones, but not a lot of them though. For it, you got Dragger. So this is a Dragger Elder. So this will be the Grey Dwarves. But a lot of Grey Dwarves don't have hair. They're bald, and they have hair in this one. That's very interesting. Yeah, a lot of the draggers I know they're bald, but I think they be white hair, gray skin, stuff like that as well. But we got that dragger druid, but dragger is very hostile too, so that's kind of interesting. Um, yeah, I've never played one, but I know I killed a lot of them though in my game. Draggers rangers. Then we get more into the monsters. The hell's this? Daragoth? I've probably seen. I know this one, the hook cloakers. Those guys are freaking annoying as hell, especially when they disguise themselves up in the stalagmites, stalactites. These guys are a-holes. Their eyes will dispel all magic while it sees. This one, girls, they're kind of weak for it, but and you get your throwbacks as well with it. Next one is White Wolf Tavern. I don't know what we're doing for White Wolf Tavern. Looks like druids, I believe. But we can see what they have. These are all D&D stuff. So we got a Merfolk, Jin, Chained Up Jin. And we got Rag the Earth Genasi. Oh, we're doing Genasi. That's actually interesting. We don't have a lot of Genasi. YOLO Trickster. That's actually pretty cool. And we have an Undead Owlbear. That'll be very useful too. Scabbard. This is a freaking goblin. And you have your welcome pack with that as well. And your terrain. Oh, you get Slimer. That's actually pretty cool too. I want to see what more we have for them. So we got the Jinn, different parts of the Undead Owlbear, goblins, stuff like that. Looks like it. It's not bad for a bit. Last Sword Miniature. This is a proxy for the Old World and Age of Sigmar. If you're interested in that as well. I'm doing ghouls and undeads for this month. I still haven't finished completing my Old World army yet. And I have not gotten any of the books that I really need as well. So hopefully I can at least finish one of them. Oh, the corpse cart. That's kind of cool. The guy, half a dead guy for it. And you got some sheeps that's coming in. Harkarls with spears. They got one with axe. You got the zombie dragon. Looks like it's coming in with it as well. The ghoul with the dragons. So that's actually cool. So yeah, vampire clan, new vampire clan. I don't know what vampires were actually in the old worlds. I really don't know. But you guys can get 3D print some for yourselves. Next one is white. What the hell? Mental creation. They're gone. They're gone. Cripply God Foundry, another D&D. They got some sci-fi one as well, but a lot of times like a hit or a miss if it's going to be worth the proxies for it. That so this is your throwback. You have your unicorn and elves, drows. We're getting a lot of drows this month. Welcome pack. Your welcome pack for sci-fi. So we got land druid. We got some druids. Wood elf druids. And I might have more druids. That would be kind of cool to paint as Radagast brown. We have, looks like a barbarian druid. Oh, war bear. Okay, war bear. They're very good. Well, they're actually a lawful good creatures. Got centaurs, bus, tree ants, forest guardians, wolf, wood elf hunters, terrains. Always nice to have some terrains. You got some predator. For it, that looks like the Croots. May want to have one of that as a Croot. Arnold Schwarzenegger. So this could be your Croot proxies. Looks like it. So that'll be actually kind of cool to make this as your Croot proxies. They're making the pair look like Croots. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Let's see, which one is this? The Lions Tower. 27. This is another proxy one as well. I don't know what kind of proxy this will be. You may have to look through this one. I think it's leaning more towards D&D now. They used to do proxy for a lot of the old world, but you may have to look on that on your own. Okay, one-page rules. Another proxy for Warhammer, 40k, Age of Sigmar, and Old World for it as well. Looks like we're getting Tau proxies. For hopefully we get some freaking Tau proxies soon. I think they're running out of stuff. We got the High Elf Elite and Shadow Stalker, I believe, for September high rolls for it. Blessed Sisters, a proxy for that. I gotta print some Battles of Sister when I'm done with everything else. I think that's what my next one is. So it looks like we're having like vampires or undead kind of thing. And we got some Eldars. We got some vampires. There's not much they're showing too. So we got some of that. They're waiting on that one. So yeah, we're just waiting on a lot of stuff. But these are pretty cool to have. If it goes with the army list as well. A Dragon's Lake miniature. There's another proxy for Warhammer 2, Age of Sigmar, and Old World. I think we are getting another thing of Chaos Dwarves. So, that's good. Because there's not much selection of Chaos Dwarves I remember. A lot of the stuff, especially the cannon and everything else, they're very expensive and they're very hard to find a lot of times as well. So Chaos Dwarves are really cool to have. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. I haven't played them yet on the Total War 3. STL miniature, very good one for D&D and terrains. I highly recommend them if you especially want to have little bits of terrains for it. So it looks like we got a alchemy style or a honey maker. So it looks like beehives. Yeah, it's like beekeeping. Terrain piece is actually pretty cool. It's like a humanoid bee. And you have a bear, war bear. Looks like a bone naga. Oh, undead snake. Another undead snake. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And you have a cobra. Another type of snake. Not that bad. We got some mushroom folks. Yeah. All for $10. Not that bad. You could pull out a figure. This one's for last month, but this is just released. I just got the file for Ellen Joe. Um, it looks pretty damn good. For this month will be Supersonico and Mozoyo Kaiori. I'm highly looking forward for Supersonico because I do have a lot of Supersonicals figure in real life, and I really do like to print some good ones, life size if I can, if the wife don't kill me. Anyhow, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. Thank you guys very much. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.